It's me, Brittany, aka 不论你要怎样. It's that time again for me to talk to you about my 3 latest obsessions. 我觉得台湾有很特别的东西，所以每个月我想要给你看3个让我着迷的东西。Number 1， 第一个。One of my favorite things about Taiwan is the convenience and freshness of fruit. Honestly, we are so spoiled with how 很甜 the fruit is in Taiwan. 其实我觉得台湾的水果比美国的水果好吃。But actually, when I came to Taiwan, I was able to try so many fruits that I had never eaten before. One being bala. Guava is so delicious, but especially with 梅子粉. This delicious powder is sweet and salty, and it can be sprinkled on so many things, from popcorn to French fries, and especially delicious with guava. It helps with digestion, it's high in fiber. It also helps with period pains, and it has anti-cancer effects. I love this with guava and other foods. It's a great snack. Number 2, the erga. So if you watched episode 5, you know how important good posture is in Taiwan. It's 很重要. So when I saw this item, I knew I had to get it because one of my very bad habits is not sitting up straight, not sitting up properly. So my second choice for this month is dun, 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 a posture corrector. 打扫的时候，对我来说，穿矫正带更方便。Good posture has so many health benefits, but for me, 自信最重要. It's so important to have good posture, but especially for your confidence. Number 3, 第三个. So I just want to shout out my husband. He's introduced so much of Taiwan to me, has taught me so many things, and one of the many things that he's introduced to me is dun, 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 Mandarin with Peggy. Now, this is my choice for my obsession for this month because I love her content. She teaches Chinese and Taiwanese in a very fun way. It's very short, it's quick, she speaks slowly, and her content's really fun and engaging. Sometimes learning a second language can be a little bit boring, but she does it in a really cool way. She'll teach pickup lines and other things that are really funny. So I want you to let me know in the comments, what's your best pickup line? 好，谢谢你们看我的影片。Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye bye, 再见。
Later.